So the TLDR is everything's fine. It's not a clickbait title or anything. I hope it's not a clickbait title. But I'm putting a pause on new videos for a bit. As you can probably see, I'm in the process of tearing down my office. My wife and I were off to somewhere new. It's a new chapter in our lives. There's more videos to follow, just not right now, and it won't be for a bit. And you can stop watching this video if you want. That's all there really is to say. There's not going to be much in this channel I don't know when, but there are videos going to come this year. I promise. Promise there's videos coming this year. Anyway, it's all a bit exciting, and I'll share with you what happened when I post up another video. Maybe I'll end up doing shorts or something. In the meantime, if you're missing my dulcet tones, you can hear my brother and I talk about things on our podcast. Yep, everyone's got a podcast, and I'm no different. There's a link below. It's on YouTube as well, or on your favourite podcast app at Super Kelly Bros. There's going to be more videos coming, as I said, but I'm not able to make them as this PC, along with the rest of all of this stuff, is getting packed up after this video. So, until next time, there's always Super Kelly Brothers. And there's also a whole entire back catalogue on my channel if you haven't watched those videos. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll get timely reminders of when I put a new video up. But until next time, best luck with everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.